Question 16 is about the standard deviation question, which requires you to use the standard form. Right here. This is your mark, this is the mean, this is the standard deviation, and this is the standard score. Part A. Find the difference of scores between George and Teresa. So, the question has already given us some information, which is the standard deviation is 16 marks, and the standard score of George is 0.5 lower than Teresa. So, the difference in standard score would be marks of Teresa minus the mean divided by 16, which is the standard deviation, minus marks of George minus the mean, also divided by 16, equals 0.5, because the question has given us the number. Then we can do this. Marks of Teresa minus marks of George minus the mean plus the mean, because they have the same base here. So it's just basic addition and subtraction. Okay, it's still 0.5. So MT minus MG is 0.5 times 16, which is 8. The difference in mark would be 8. Part B. The teacher later finds that one question has been set wrongly and hence all students have their score increased by 3 marks. George claims that his standard score is now equal to that of Teresa, which is quite impossible. Okay. So, for this question, we need to know that both marks of Teresa and both marks of George has been increased by 3. We also need to know that the mean is increased by 3 as well. And also standard deviation remains unchanged, which is still 16. So the difference will be like this. MT minus the mean plus 3. Oh, this one need to plus 3 as well. MT plus 3 minus this one plus 3 divided by 16 minus marks of George plus 3 minus the mean divided by 16 again. After a bunch of calculations, you will get the same as above here. And the difference in standard score will be exactly the same as part A. So, the standard score difference is unchanged. George's claim is correct. Is incorrect. Sorry. Incorrect.